Hi, everyone, and welcome to another live trading series. It is noon on Tuesday, July 19th. I have a few trades to show you. I'm going to try to make this pretty quick. If you're interested in talking to 55 other Canadian option traders and some US traders, consider joining my Discord server. I'll leave a link to the Patreon. It is $5 a month. If we take a look at the market, everything's green right now. I do think this will be short-lived and everything will go down. So I'm going to try to sell covered calls while it's green to make some premium. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell covered calls on AMD. I got assigned on AMD a few weeks ago at 89. It ended up dropping to like 67, so I was pretty unhappy. But now that it's come back up, I'm going to sell a 2-week covered call at the 89 or 90 strike. And I'm going to sell the, what is it, August 5th. So 2 weeks from now, if we look at the 89 or 90, it is like, what, the 40 delta. I don't mind if these get called away. It's relatively short term. The reason why the premium is high on this right now is the stock is up. It's like 4% day, plus earnings are soon. So the IV goes up a little bit more. So if we look at the trade I have lined up here, so I'm going to sell just $100, like one strike up from when I was assigned, and I'm going to sell it for $252. So if we look at $252 for my cost basis, which is 89, that is 2.8% for, I think it's 15 days. So if we look at this monthly, it's a little bit more. I just want to do short term because I think this will go down and I might roll it down. I don't want to do monthlies. I think there's too much volatility in the month. And if it does go up, I do want this called away earlier rather than later. So I will sell this right now. So I have 500 shares. If we go here, 500 shares. I'm currently at a $2,100 loss, but I will be making back some of that right now. If I sell here, I'll be making $12.75 US, which is pretty good. If I do this one more time, I'll bring back my my entire loss. So if we look at, there we go. So if we look at that, where is it? 256, that's fine. Another thing I want to show you, if we just isolate NEO, I sold 15 covered calls on NEO just like 4 days ago or 5 days ago, and right now it's 50% profitable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this out now. I have 31 days left. Why would I wait 31 days to make $690 when in 4 days I made $720? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this out now, take the profit, and if it goes back up, I might sell again, or I might roll this down to 22.50. I haven't decided what I'll do, but I'm going to take profit until it goes against me. I do think NEO will come back up, so when it does, I will sell this again, make back some profit. Buy at market. $690. Cool. So I made $1,400 initially, and then I closed it, which is fine. So let's go. Let's see what's happening with Tesla. I wanted to do Tesla earning trades. Tesla earnings is tomorrow, but if we look at, where is it? If we, oh, this is annoying. Okay, so I hate the way they do this. Okay, I'm not going to do that. I want them to group these verticals together. They're grouping them separately. So what I did was I sold 491 minus 45 times 300. So I sold 3 vertical call spreads, credit spreads for 1338, but I am up over 50% on them. So I'm going to close out. I'm going to close this out right now. There's no point in waiting. If they have really good earnings, what if it shoots up and I end up losing? So I'm going to close these out right now. I will close out I'll close out the call side, the short side, because I don't care to make $15. Let me just buy this out this way. I'm doing it the wrong way. So let's just go 180, buy to close, and I should get back, buy to close 3 Tesla calls. I should get back more buying power than this. Why did it only give me that much? My 775 call, because of the volatility, is still... Yeah, so I'm not making money on this. I'm guessing because Tesla's going up? Yeah, I guess. Plus earnings is tomorrow, so the volatility is a little higher. Is there anything else I want to do? I don't have many options open. As you can see, I usually have more than this, but I'm just kind of sitting on my fingers, kind of waiting until NVIDIA comes back up so I can make back this loss. But that's a long play. July has been pretty good for me so far. So if we go 7, 19, 20, 22, AMD. So I think I made 1250 on this. I can't remember. Covered call. And then Neo covered call minus 690, I think. Buying to close added gain. And then this is 5 lot. What did I do? 18 date expiration? Oh, I have it here. 17 days, so close. 17 date expiration, 90 strike. So if it gets called away at 90, I'd make another $500 on top of this because I bought at 89. So far for July, I'm at a good 7,000, 7,500. Not too shabby. Oh, and I did just close Tesla, sorry. So Tesla vertical, we'll do this. 719. I think I paid 540. Okay, buying to close at a gain. All right, so I made 6,900 so far, and there's still a few days left in July. I probably will do some other earnings trades. I know there's Netflix today. Am I scared to trade Netflix? Of course. Like, yeah, would I? I wouldn't do this. Like, do I sell naked calls? What do I do? I'm way too scared to trade Netflix because if we see what happened, oh, they're up. Yeah, I probably should have done this a few days ago, but you can see Netflix is down 70% throughout the year. So they released good earnings, but reduced guidance. So even though, see here, they made more than last time, income still went down. You could, if you want to take a risk, you could sell like naked calls or a call credit spread. This would be interesting if I sell 225 for next week. Would it go up 10% in a day? Maybe. And just take max loss. So if I do 225, I'd need to sell a lot to make a decent amount of money on this. If you go 220, what would max loss be? 220, 250. You're just not making enough on this, like $500. A credit spread. What is expected movement? I should find out. Could sell I do think chances are it'll go down more than it goes up. Even Google is up. I can sell covered calls on Google. So I have 200 shares on Google after their split. I am down $7,000. Fantastic. My timing is amazing. I could sell covered calls on Google for the first time. I might do, let's check out the 125 because I think that was let's take a look at Google. I forgot I had it. I've been waiting for so long. August 19th. Would they show me the 125? They don't. This is not good. 125. So if it does get called away, I'd be losing a lot. 125. What is this? This is the... What is this? Delta. I don't think they have their... Yeah. The delta here isn't fixed. If I try bar chart... Stop. If I go Google and then volatility and Greeks. Hopefully this should stop. Oh no. I don't have access. Interesting. Okay. Well, this was wrong. That didn't work out. So the Greeks on Questrade hasn't been updated for the stock split. So it's definitely not 50 delta here. But I'll need to figure out what to do. Do I sell 2 covered calls at 125? So I hope you guys can't hear the garbage truck outside. So if I bought for 150, sold at 125, I'd have a $5,000 loss. And I'm only making $200. So 110, but my cost basis is like 149, 1490. No, that's wrong. What did I do here? 149. This is so bad. So my cost basis is 14,900. If I make $110, that's less than 1%. Yeah, there's just no volatility on Google. But this is my fault. You know, I bought these in January. I didn't think it would be going down. That is frustrating, but everything is green. It's so nice to see green days. But these are rare. I'm not sure what else to do. I could sell, I've always wanted to sell covered calls on Square. The income isn't that good on Square. I could do just like 2 weeks as well, and then the 75 if I buy shares right now. So these are pretty good. So maybe if I could do 80s, I wonder what their earnings would be like. Because I have 700 shares I could buy at the money and then sell something like this. Let's do this. Let's sell 7 covered calls on Square for 168. Just for a few weeks, and then hopefully it doesn't pop after earnings, but I can always manage that. It's just 2 weeks. So let me do this. 80 strike. That's not too bad. Would it show me the Greeks? There's the option to see Greeks somewhere here, but I'll figure it out. So let me end this here. I don't have anything to trade. I do have to go back to work. Let me make this $1,100. So I sold Square. I'm going to try to do more frequent income update videos. So 1180. Let's do 7 a lot. 17 data expiration, 80 strike. Best case scenario, I'm at $8,000 for the month. If I buy this back to close at 50% gain, let's say at 50% profit, it should be $76,500. AMD, if I can buy this back for 50%, let's do times 0.5. If I could make $7,000 this month, assuming I'm going to spend $1,100 closing these 2 out, it would be pretty good. It would be a pretty good month. Last month, $6,200, not too bad. Hopefully I can make more this month. The reason why my profit hasn't been good in the past is I've just spent a lot of time rolling, a lot of time getting things out of the money. Order filled, nice. I do want to do more Tesla trades. I know they have their earnings. Kind of scared. Their movements are pretty big. But yeah, let me see if I could play around with something right now. Sorry, remember when I said short video and now it's like 15 minutes already. So let me look at next week. If we were to do call spreads, I don't know if we could do 850. Like, is that even worth it? 850? That's not worth it. Even going 800 is just too close. Like Tesla could go up too much in just such a short amount of time. If I go like 825, 925, and then sell 2 just to make $1,000, it's just too risky. I'm wondering if sorry, I'm rambling. So I'm just going to end it here. I talk too much. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're interested, join the Discord. Tune into the next one.